Are BONOSS wheel spacers safe?
Choose a good set of Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers that can make a big difference in your off-roading performance. If you use forged half-century spacers rather than casting lock-century spacers, the wheels are attached to the new wheel studs with the OEM lock nuts. Two sets of wheel studs create a strong wheel connection that is firm enough to support the weight of the vehicle. Therefore, the wheel studs are among the most important parts which secure the wheels. Grade 12.9 wheel studs are considered to be the top quality studs in the auto industry. They have a minimum tensile strength of 1,220 megapascal. The higher the tensile strength, the more tensile stress that the studs press in the spacers can withstand before failure. For off-road performance, it is recommended to stick to the rule of thumb of running Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers, no passing through the fender flares. But if you want to achieve a more powerful look, reasonably thinner wheel spacer can be used without problem. BONOSS offers non-normal thickness customized service. 3mm thin to 160mm thin are available. There are a large amount of options with our customized PCD conversion wheel adapters and precision sensing machining with 0.02mm to ensure you fit perfectly and reduce the vibration at high speed caused by inaccurate data, keeping your safety. BONOSS insists on producing professional forged wheel spacers, 10 years super long warranty service, which is safer, more professional, and more reliable than others.
For more information, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.